Hey, what's up, everybody? It is Monday, October 5th. Trump coming out of the hospital tonight. That was the report. So the market went up today. Headline trading. I told you on Friday, everybody sold because he went to the hospital. Now today everybody bought. Look, here's what you got to focus on. The underlying fiscal support is very, very strong. And I don't think that's going to diminish in any way, even after the election. At least not immediately after the election. We'll have to see how the election plays out. You know, if Biden wins, what's going to be his new policies, if anything? If Trump wins, if he has a second term, will there be any change in the fiscal policy? You know, we still have to wait to see that. But right now, fiscal is going to stay the same. It's very supportive. It's very strong. By the way, today's Monday. I just sent out the new edition of MMT Trader. If you want to get that, go to my website, pitbulleconomics.com, and sign up for a 30-day free trial. Remember, I'm the only one who has an applied approach to MMT. I take the concepts and understandings of MMT and I use that to trade and invest. Nobody else does that. I also mentor people with mental game, with MMT understanding, all that good stuff. So go to my website, pitbulleconomics.com, sign up for a 30-day free trial. So Trump is going home tonight. The markets were all up. Dollar was down. Gold was up. Oil was up. We got 2 days of data so far in the new fiscal year. Remember, we started a new fiscal year last Thursday, October 1st. So right now, with 2 days of data that's going through October 2nd, spending is up $38 billion over last year at this time. So we're already starting on a positive note. And that has been the trend. And again, I don't see really any chance that the spending rate and the overall amount of spending is going to come down. That's very positive for the economy. That's very positive for the stock market. There's still talks going on with regard to additional stimulus. One thing interesting today, we saw bond yields back up. The 10-year yield hit the highest level in 4 months. And that might be, you know, an indication that they are close to a deal in Congress. And I would think if we get another stimulus, that's just going to add to the inflationary pressure. I don't think it's necessary for the economy. I don't think it's necessary for the market, as I have been saying in several videos, because there is a record amount of cash in the economy right now. If you look at bank deposits at 15.8 trillion, you know, that's through the roof. I mean, that is really, really high. And again, I know that's not distributed equally, unfortunately, but the amount of money, the amount of potential spending power in the economy is very high right now. We need things to open up some more. And on that note, you know, we got New York City, new shutdowns again. In a couple of neighborhoods here, the governor today announced there's going to be new closures. So that's not cool at all. That's happening. Other places are opening up. Florida is opening up. I mean, so you still have this very uneven picture in the economy. Things are slowly starting to open up. Other areas reinfected with the virus. So it's very uncertain. And we know that. But the market likes to, you know, climb the wall of worry, as they say. That's an old saying on Wall Street. And that's what's happening. So the new issue of MMT Trader is out today. Go to my website, pitbulleconomics.com. Sign up for a 30-day free trial. Fiscal flows are very strong. They're already starting out above same time last year. And I don't see them coming down. You know, we're going to have to wait to see if there's going to be any policy changes after the election. And there may not be. I mean, there might be if Biden gets elected. He's talking about raising taxes on the wealthy and corporations. But at the same time, I think he was talking about support for, you know, fiscal support, government support for workers and lower income people. So it might all balance out. It might even tip the scales into more expansive policy. We'll have to see. There's nothing to do right now because policy is going to remain the way it is, and that is supportive, that is bullish. If you look at sentiment, it's still very negative. The AAII weekly sentiment survey, low level of bulls, high level of bears. Even the put call ratio now, that's up at levels that is consistent with a rally. So I think that's what we're going to see. Today was headline trading on, Trump getting better, coming back to the White House. So you might see a little bit of a pullback tomorrow, but you have to buy the dips. See everybody tomorrow. Bye.